Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate all of the support you guys give me. Today's video is going to be a little bit longer than normal, even though in reality all my videos are on the longer side. But on this day, I decided to clean my whole house. My boys had just left on vacation to go camping with my husband, and I'm leaving the next day to go meet them. So I had all this silence and time on my hands, and I thought it would be nice to come home to a really clean house. Do you guys ever do this before you go on vacation? First, I'm going to start with Chandler's room, and then I'm going to move over to Hayden's room and their bathroom. Luckily, they weren't too dirty, so it didn't really take that long. And I didn't vacuum the floors or anything, I just tidied everything up. They can do the rest of it when they get home, like put their laundry in the laundry room and vacuum the floors. I'm pretty sure you guys know by now that I really don't clean my kids' rooms. I force them pretty much to clean their own rooms, but I figured today I would be nice and I would surprise them with nice and clean rooms. The bathroom wasn't too bad, it was just more cluttered than anything, which is a lot of problems that we have in our house actually. Just too much stuff, and I need to go through and get rid of more stuff, but I also need more storage, which is not really something you would think I miss in this house, but I'm actually coming up with some solutions for that in the near future. I'll show you guys that when I figure all of it out. can see my room isn't too dirty either. It's just a little messy. There's some laundry that needs to be folded and put away. I'll make my bed before I go on vacation so it's nice and tidy when we get back. I don't vacuum my floor either. I'm just trying to get the house all nice and tidy before I leave. I'd like to say that I keep my bathroom cleaner than my boys, since I'm the only one that uses this, but obviously that would be a lie. Once again, I need more drawers in my bathrooms instead of cupboards, so I'm going to be buying some drawers, like plastic drawers to put in the cupboards, and I'll show you guys that in the future, like I said. Next on the to-do list is our big room, as I call it, our kitchen, dining, and living room. They were pretty messy, but I was in a groove now, so I got it done pretty quickly considering how slow I normally am at cleaning. So while I was making this video, for some reason I didn't think to go back and show the ending picture of it, the rooms cleaned. I mean, you've all seen my rooms cleaned before. It's all I do. But I do regret it because it looks so nice. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more from me. Until next time, guys. Bye.